So you keep quiet. It's 12 o'clock. Okay? Come here. We will sing Mommy happy birthday. We will surprise her. No. You hold the gift, okay? We'll give to Mommy. And then Daddy will hold the cake. Okay? Okay. Wait. You once you're like quiet. Because no. Put this one here on your arms. And then you shake this, okay? So wait. Make sure you shake that. Ready? Go. Wait. Slowly to Mommy. Ready, sing, go. Happy birthday. Shake the phone. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. Yay.
What time is
Mommy.
it for you?
Huh?
Mommy, eat the cake first.
Wow.
We don't have any candle, but you have to eat the cake.
This is for me?
Yeah.
What time is it?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We wake you up.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, baby.
Bite siya also. Bite. Oh.
I have a gift.
Yeah.
I have surprise. What is this, Daddy?
I don't know.
What is this, baby Sia?
Just open it.
Oh, what is this, Daddy?
Just open it.
I thought this 3 days Atlantis Escape is my gift already on my birthday.
Yeah.
What is this?
You cannot drink.
Open it.
this?
I hope you like it.
Open.
That's our surprise to you.
Yes.
Wow, what is this, Daddy?
Necklace.
Necklace?
Yeah.
This is real?
Yeah, that's real.
Wait, anak.
You cannot open it.
Wow, there is a ring, necklace, and earrings. This is gold.
No, that is diamond.
What? Really?
Yeah.
This is diamond? Real?
Yeah.
For real?
It's for you.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much. This is real.
This is your dream, the diamond necklace, earrings, and rings. So this is what you're looking for all the time when you're on your birthday and always. Now it's time that to give you this one because you deserve it. Because you all care my daughter. You make my daughter smart. Yeah, you teach her at home. So that is my birthday gift to you.
Thank you so much. Like I'm
And
crying.
and something there you have to check as well.
What is this?
Yeah.
What? It's a cash?
No, just open it.
What is it? What is it?
Open. Yeah.
What is it?
Certificate on your diamond. So if you lost one stone, they can replace it lifetime. So all the time if you lost it, so that is the insurance certificate. So all the time you lost the diamond by accident, not intentionally, they will check it. So when they check and approve, then they can
Wow,
change.
so three,
you
this
can
is
put
for-
on diamond. Yeah, for the earrings.
Necklace,
And
ring.
rings. Yes, you deserve it, my love. I will not tell you the cost. I will not tell the cost.
It's
Yeah.
very expensive.
Amazing.
Yeah, you eat.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you,
You're
baby
welcome.
Sia.
Sayaw nga muna.
I love you so
Sayaw nga
much.
muna. Sayaw nga muna. Sige nga, sayaw nga muna. Diyan sa bed, sa taas. Sumayaw nga yung birthday girl. Go vertical dance. Lan. Nan. Nan. My dream. My dream come true. Nan. Nan. See ya, join mommy. My dream come true. Dance with mommy. Nan. Go dance with mommy. Nan. Yay.
Like I'm still
Dance.
sleeping.
Nan. Happy birthday, mommy. Ginising ang mami. Nanaginip ka lang, Mami. Gumising ka ulit. Kiss na, Mami. Happy birthday. Love you, Mami. We love you.
Thank you so much.
Come.
Thank you, Lord. More birthdays to come and more diamonds to come. Thank you.